Bolivar Peninsula, where a hurricane watch is now in effect. Jacob?
And Dominique and Chris, we're in the middle of the peninsula where the Oceanfront Restaurant, the Family Dollar, and other shops around here are already boarded up and shut down. On the 45-square-mile Bolivar Peninsula, an hour-and-a-half drive from Houston, the stunning views and the peaceful ambience come at the price of the hurricane season.
It's best to be safe. The road floods, the ferry gets shut down with high surges. It's not a good place to be.
The Mears family moved here 4 generations ago, lost everything during Hurricane Ike in 2008, and rebuilt.
We're packed up and we plan to leave tomorrow. Unless the storm shifts, and we'll stay. After living through Ike and losing everything, you want to be ready. You don't want to be caught off guard.
Some small business owners and the only elementary and middle school on the peninsula shut down for the rest of the week as a precaution. Many homes are built 20 feet off the ground here, higher than Hurricane Ike waters. But even some of those homeowners may leave too, just in case. All right, stand by. And back out here live, the county judge here, Mark, said that tomorrow morning he plans on making a call about potential evacuations. He said if you can live on the peninsula for 3 days without electricity, he thinks he'll be fine with you staying. Reporting live on the peninsula, Jacob Rascone, KPRC, Channel 2 News.